नेटफ्लिक्स की आगामी सीरीज द रॉयल्स के ट्रेलर लॉन्च इवेंट ने मुंबई में बिखेरा सितारों का जलवा। इस खास मौके पर पहुंचे भूमि पेडनेकर, ईशान खट्टर, विहान समत, लिसा मिश्रा और साक्षी तंवर, और सभी ने इस ग्रैंड इवेंट को बना दिया एक रॉयल अफेयर। भूमि पेडनेकर अपनी शानदार अदा और कॉन्फिडेंस से सबका ध्यान खींचती नजर आईं। तो वही ईशान खट्टर ने अपने चार्म और एनर्जी से फैंस का दिल जीत लिया। विहान समत और लिसा मिश्रा ने भी अपनी मौजूदगी से इवेंट को बना दिया और भी खास।
You know, honestly, it was the script that pushed me to, that made me just jump on this idea. Like everybody on this table, I love. I am, the genre of rom-coms, romance, is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, आज कुछ नया rom-com आया है, हम क्या explore कर सकते हैं? I remember it was 2023 November, when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, you know, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. मुझे dengue था, मैं hospital में थी. And she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में Royals पढ़ना शुरू किया. Because I was like, it's a romance? That's so rare. That doesn't happen. And I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that, can I get another episode? एक और episode कर करके मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी. And I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on. And I'm just very lucky that I got to play Sophia, because there are so many shades in her. You know, she's powerful, she is stubborn, but that's the most beautiful thing about her. She's just strong, and she is nurturing, and she is loving. And I feel like there's a lot of those little nuances and aspects that I've picked up from all these wonderful women that I shared space with while shooting. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.
Well, first of all, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका. How did I prepare, and was there an inspiration? I think the writers probably had references, inspirations, those which, if I take the names, perhaps we will be shut down, so maybe I shouldn't. But all jokes apart, I think being that it's sort of a modern satire on modern royals, I think the inspirations were young royals, and beyond that, what was most inspiring to me was the inner world of this character, because on the face of it, you know, this is a very bingeable, snackable, fun show with all the fluff, with all the fun, with all the shimmer. But as you go deeper into it, you start seeing the inner world of these characters, and you start seeing the cracks, and there is meat on the bone. And as an actor, that was very exciting to me, is that you get to play both of these, you know, these aspects. Yeah, I think that's what was most inspiring to me. And then I had a very inspiring team. I was padded with a set of wonderful first women, which seems to be a recurring theme in my career. I think more than 50% of my collaborators in leading roles in the roles of directors, cinematographers have actually been women. So I'm kind of molded by women creators, and I think it made my job that much easier because I had that gaze to fall back on, and because it's a romance. I was just like, tell me what you need to do, and I will have it delivered. So first of all, the inspirations were the creators. So big hat tip and salutes to all of you. The producers, the studio, the directors, lovely directors that we have, who walked with us hand in hand every step of the way. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And beyond that, what did I do to prepare and embody? Nothing. यार घुड़सवारी सीखी हमने. That was pretty exciting. We were told कि हाँ 2-2.5 महीने हैं, become a polo prodigy. which was a bit of a task, but happy to report that my brother and I, we did 2.5 months of training, but did all our stunts ourselves. So we're horse riders now, and we love it. And now I ride for passion. So that was one of the things. And baki show mein dekh lijiye. If I may add, I also had the good pleasure of meeting with Rongita and Ishita and the Pritish Nandi PNC team in back, I think, September 2023. And they gave me these scripts, and there were 8 scripts, and they said, I said, कि मुझे हफ्ता भर दे दीजिए, and I'll try and get back to you, I'll read them. Because there were 8 scripts, I didn't know how long they were, whether they were 60 pages, 100 pages. So they said, take 10, and I read them in 1.5 days.
Am I supposed to look after the family here? I'm too busy looking after my diamonds and taking care of my jewels and my property and my palaces. So this time the focus is on myself. I'm looking after myself.
On the wrong side of the bench. I should be there. I'm king of comedy. Self-proclaimed, by the way. I've given myself that title. In fact, in college I was called Your Highness because I was always high. I'm joking. But, coming to the lighter side of it, what did I bring to this was... the first time I met a royal, I didn't know whether to shake his hand, do namaste or touch his feet. And I thought Hukum was his first name because everyone kept calling him Hukum, Hukum. So I asked him, Hukum, what's your surname? I didn't know Hukum means Maharaj or, like the boss. So I had these little fumbling problems when I met royals for the first time. So I got that into this show, I think. I tried to do a little bit of overacting. But then this beautiful woman team actually controlled me and said, relax. You're not in Houseful, you're in Royals. So I was like, really, they had a little, they had a leash and I was being controlled, but I really enjoyed, I had a great time. And I hope I come in the part 2 also of it. Thank you. And yes, I was a last moment addition. So while these boys learned polo in 2 months, they only gave me 2 days to learn polo. And I played with them. But that was a lot of fun. Thank you. Yeah.
I enjoy that. So I've played things before that are a bit more chill. I think this time I really wanted to go into something that was a bit more meaty, a bit more chaotic. I mean, you've seen stuff where I'm yelling and screaming, and you've seen stuff where I'm beating a chicken to the ground. A killed chicken, not a real chicken, like a live chicken. So I enjoy that. I do enjoy that. And I enjoyed playing polo. My horse, Charlie, was my best friend for 2.5. Yeah. Yeah, for my 2.5 months of sessions, I saw him more than I saw my own family. I think, honestly, okay, all jokes apart, I think this show has given everyone the opportunity to go deep. And that is the best thing you can expect for an actor, to be very honest with you. I mean, it's not like, kal shoot hai, aa jao, 6 baje. It's just like, hey, we want to do this in 3 months' time. So yes, I think I have a little bit of chaos. I don't think I'm a very chaotic person, but the role can be quite chaotic, and I really like it. Yeah.
Yeah, and you definitely, your efforts have been paid off, and give our love to Charlie, please.
Thank you. He'll appreciate it.
This is exactly what I do in the show. I'm Salahuddin, the Nawab of Alsipur, and he's a flirt, and he's chivalrous and charming. And he's crazy and he's whacked out. And there's a lot more of him in season 2. Hey Tanya, how you doing? But yeah, it was a fun ride. It was fantastic. I had a great time shooting it, especially Salahuddin. Can I tell them the short for Salahuddin? I'm Nawab Salahuddin, but you can call me Salad. Wait, if you like the dressing. You can call me Salad if you like the dressing. I hope you got it. You did. Okay. So yeah, I had a laugh on this set, and most importantly, all these beautiful people, everything everyone has said about them is absolutely true. There's no lies, except for there's no lies. It was really good. So I had a great time, and I want to thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
I really enjoyed what Sakshi ma'am's character, the transition, her arc, what she goes through, because it's so refreshing to see a woman kind of hold on to her identity, what she wants, her desires, her wants, her heart, you know. And I think for me, it's one of the most beautiful characters of the show. You know, I'm trying to not give away a lot. It's so tough. Okay, but I also feel what happens with Aviraj's character, Ishan's, is very, very sensitive. It's really beautiful.
To say, I think everybody has beautiful, beautiful arcs since you asked that question in the show. But the one that stands out to me the most is Zeenat Ji's. Because, you know, normally an arc goes like this, या तो नीचे से ऊपर चढ़ता है या ऐसे, वो ऊपर ही रहती हैं. I'm trying to avoid saying the word high. But she's truly the crown jewel of our show. And I'm so excited for everybody to see her in this.
Can't wait to watch it, guys.
The show also gave me a chance to play around with my wardrobe, with makeup, which I love so, so deeply. And, but again, you know, I've never chased playing an urban girl or, you know, playing a character that's away from what I usually do. I always go for scripts. And when this show came my way, as I said earlier, I love love. I love a romance. But at the core, this show is so sensitive. It is so evolved. It is so progressive.
I did not know Bhumi before, only socially we had met. And of course, admired her as an actress so much. And having been privy to her work, I think it was very interesting. The second one finds out that you would see her in a role like this, like you correctly mentioned, because I would actually go as far as to say maybe it's closer to her actual personality than
that's true.
most parts you see her play. So as far as the chemistry, I think we had a significant amount of time together. Actually, I think we started prepping together first. And we did many readings, we did many exercises, and kind of just hung out. And I think we found our chemistry as Ishan and Bhumi, and then that kind of trickled its way into the show, even though it was no mean feat, because this is, like she said, a very classic romance, and they're heightened feelings, you know, they're heightened situations, extraordinary situations.
जब आप दो actors की chemistry को appreciate करते हैं, I think most times it's just like two actors. Don't laugh. And I think most times my job was so easy because we would just be there, and there was we never even really discussed it. It just happened. We just flow through our scenes, which is rare, and I really appreciate it. I don't really have. कई बार होता है ना, जैसे मैंने जिस तरह के किरदार किए, I'm going to keep switching between English and Hindi. मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे क्रच होते थे. Right? I would have some kind of a dialect, मेरे पास costume होता था. I'm so away from Bhumi. I never had to deal with my inhibitions, what I'm uncomfortable about, maybe with myself, through my characters. And there was a lot of comfort when I did that. When I was playing Sophia, she's so close to me. Her ideology, her faith, the things that she believes in, her passion, her want, you know, she has fire. And I think I have a lot of fire within me. She stands for what's right. And I think over there, I constantly had to just be at ease with who I am and be comfortable with the fact that there would be aspects of Bhumi that would be in Sophia, and that is okay. I had to make peace with the fact that the audience might see a very real part of me. And I tried battling ki nahi, kuch aur karenge, but I was like, it's okay. And I think that takes a lot of confidence and a lot of like prepping yourself that it's okay. It was actually therapeutic to me.
हमने इतने सारे रोमांस देखे हुए हैं और इतनी सारी लव स्टोरीज बन चुकी हैं कि शायद कुछ नया था नहीं कहने को, या फिर शायद क्रिएटर्स को ऐसे लगने लगा या ऑडियंसेस बोर हो गए. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक गैप रहा है, सिग्निफिकेंट गैप रहा है, इतना कि लोग मिस कर पाएँ. लेकिन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं और लव स्टोरीज, तो प्लीज़ गिव अस द encouragement एंड टॉक अबाउट इट एंड पुश इट आउट देयर. आई थिंक इस शो में ज़रूर मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि एक नयापन तो है. आई थिंक देयर इज़ सो मच मोर दैट मेक्स द रोमांस एक्साइटिंग देन जस्ट the chemistry in between. It's also the characters in the story, and it's a very, very fresh take on a royal and a commoner. And most people actually thought that this was maybe a period piece when there were early talks about royals, etc., etc. But I think that there is going to be a lot of freshness and newness to this. So maybe that's the reason. But मैं तो ज़रूर देखना चाहूँगा. I've been saying for a long time that I want to be a part of love stories. I only got to do one tragic love story in the beginning of my career, and then it's been 7 years since. So I had a lot of fun. मैंने तो दिल भर के बहुत मज़ा लिया, and I think that this is testament to the fact that people want to see more.
It wasn't easy at all because I, for the longest, have played characters that have been on the other side of the table. So I have always been an Am Kumari. And this was for the first time that I got to see this live. I've not even seen this live in real. Forget about experiencing it. So I come from a very basic background. I have played characters that were close to my background, and it never sort of, took me any preparation to be able to portray them. So for the first time when I got a call and I was told that this is the character, I thought, no, this can't be true because no, I've never played this, and it just doesn't seem real. And I was a Rani only for my mom because from being her Bitya Rani to her Rani Beti, that's all. That was the closest I had come to being a Rani. But yeah, thanks. Thank you so much, Rongita. Thank you, Netflix. And thank you, the writer, the directors, to make me feel like one. And
फैंस की एक्साइटमेंट देखकर कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि द रॉयल्स नेटफ्लिक्स पर एक बड़ा धमाका करने वाली है. रहिए तैयार, क्योंकि जल्द ही पर्दे पर उतरने वाली है एक ऐसी कहानी जो रॉयल भी है, रियल भी. और एंटरटेनमेंट की हर ताज़ा खबर के लिए देखते रहिए सास बहू और बेटिया एक्स्ट्रा.